noticed a sudden drop in your desire for intimacy? Maybe things that once felt natural now feel distant. Or you simply don't feel the same level of interest as before. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Low libido during menopause is a very common experience, yet it's something many women hesitate to talk about. But here's the truth. There's nothing wrong with you. Your body is going through natural hormonal changes that directly affect your desire, comfort, and emotional connection. In this video, we'll explore why menopause affects your libido and what you can do to restore balance, confidence, and intimacy in your life. Let's start with what's happening inside your body. During menopause, estrogen and testosterone levels decrease. While estrogen is often discussed, testosterone also plays a key role in sexual desire for women. When these hormones drop, it can lead to reduced interest in intimacy. But that's only part of the story. Another major factor is physical discomfort. Many women experience vaginal dryness during menopause due to reduced estrogen levels. This can make intimacy uncomfortable or even painful, which naturally reduces desire over time. There's also fatigue. As we've discussed in previous videos, menopause can cause constant tiredness. When you're exhausted, intimacy is often the last thing on your mind. Emotional changes also play a role. Mood swings, anxiety, and stress can all affect your connection with your partner and your overall interest in intimacy. And then there's body confidence. Changes in weight, skin, and overall appearance can impact how you feel about yourself. When confidence decreases, desire often follows. But here's the good news. You can improve your libido and rebuild intimacy with the right approach. Let's talk about how. Number 1, understand and accept the changes. Awareness is powerful. When you understand that your body is going through hormonal changes, it becomes easier to approach the situation without guilt or frustration. This is not about losing something. It's about adapting to a new phase. Number 2, communicate openly with your partner. Honest communication can make a huge difference. Sharing your feelings, concerns, and experiences helps build understanding and emotional connection. You don't have to go through this alone. Number 3, address physical discomfort. Vaginal dryness is one of the most common reasons for reduced intimacy during menopause. Using appropriate solutions like gentle moisturizers or lubricants can significantly improve comfort. This simple step can make intimacy feel natural again. Number 4, focus on emotional connection. Intimacy is not just physical, it's also emotional. Spending quality time together, having meaningful conversations, and rebuilding emotional closeness can naturally improve desire. Sometimes connection leads to desire, not the other way around. Number 5, manage stress and fatigue. High stress levels and constant fatigue can reduce your interest in intimacy. Taking care of your energy through better sleep, relaxation, and self-care can have a direct impact on your libido. Number 6, stay physically active. Exercise improves blood circulation, boosts mood, and helps balance hormones. It also increases confidence and overall well-being, which can positively affect your desire. Number 7, improve your body confidence. This is an important but often overlooked factor. Instead of focusing on changes you don't like, try to appreciate your body for what it does for you. Self-care, grooming, and even small lifestyle changes can help you feel more confident and comfortable in your own skin. Number 8, consider professional guidance if needed. If low libido is significantly affecting your life, it's okay to seek help. Healthcare professionals can provide guidance tailored to your specific situation. There are options available, and you don't have to figure everything out on your own. Number 9, be patient with yourself. Changes in libido don't happen overnight, and improvements also take time. Avoid putting pressure on yourself. Instead, focus on small, positive steps that gradually improve your comfort and connection. It's also important to redefine intimacy. It doesn't have to look the same as it did before. This phase of life can be an opportunity to explore new ways of connecting, both emotionally and physically. Menopause may change your body, but it doesn't take away your ability to feel connection, closeness, and joy. With understanding, communication, and the right approach, you can rebuild intimacy and feel confident again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to MenoCalm for more simple and practical menopause tips. And let me know in the comments, have you noticed changes in your confidence or connection? You're not alone in this journey.